In this tutorial, we'll show you how to share nutrition plans with your clients. Using our sharing feature is a fast and secure way to easily share recipes, plans, and collections with anyone, even if they don't use That Clean Life. You can share single recipes, meal plans, or collections with your clients. From inside of any recipe, plan, or collection, be sure to select the Share button. Click the toggle to turn sharing on to generate a link. Be sure to turn on any permissions you'd like your clients to have. When you turn on edits, anyone with the link can edit the shared items. Please note this setting only applies to shared plans and lists. When user identification is turned on, we require people to identify themselves. This feature does not require your clients to have a That Clean Life account. It is simply a way for them to identify themselves when viewing the link. When you enable nutrition facts, this controls whether the viewers can see the nutrition information on recipes and the meal plan. To secure your resources, you can choose to enable password protection. Anyone visiting the link will be prompted to enter the password that you have set before they can access the items. Turning on Allow Imports allows you to share resources between practitioners. Please note, while turning this setting on ensures that each person you're sharing it with must have a That Clean Life to import it into their account. Allow Edits and Allow Imports cannot be toggled on at the same time. If you'd like to include a welcome note, detailed instructions for your clients, or a link, be sure to use attachments. You can add two types of attachments, a link or a rich text, which allows you to format any text of any length. To create an attachment, select the Attachments tab inside the Sharing dialog and then click on New Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message, so we will choose Rich Text. Enter a name and input your message in the content area. If you'd like to choose from our already written snippets, select Apply from Snippet. Choose Templates, and then select the snippet you would like to use. For this example, we'll use the meal plan introduction. From there, you can customize your message accordingly. To save, select Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees when they log in, be sure to pin this message by clicking the icon with the three dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your client will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can always unpin this attachment by selecting the icon with the three dots and selecting Unpin Attachment. And if you need to edit or delete your attachment, you can select those options here too. Once your permissions are set, be sure to copy the link and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. We report all of your shared stats under the Shared tab within your profile settings. Click the icon with the three dots to select View Share Stats. From here, you can see the total number of views and the names and email addresses of the people who viewed the link. Please note, user identification needs to be enabled to see the names of everyone who has viewed the link. If you have hit your sharing limit, this is also where you can turn off sharing for each resource or delete the link entirely. And that's how easy it is to share nutrition plans with your clients.